Hi guys, today we're here with HYOLYN's unboxing video. Ta-da! Here's the album. It has a bluish cover to it. And there's her signature, but I think this is only intended for the press. So when we went to her showcase yesterday, she started off the media showcase with Over You. And then she sang her title song, No Thanks. Okay, so let's look into the album. Ooh. Okay, so there's some stuff in it. I'll take this out and I'll show it to you guys later. Okay, so here's the album. It has all of her pictures for this album. Ooh, with a pink outfit. So it does have a summer vibe in it. There are more photos of her. Okay, and then there are informations about each song. So, and then there's Body Talk, Ah Yay, Laying Low, and Wakaboom. This is when she did the song with Young-ji at the Kingdom 2, and this is featured by Chu-young. Okay, so now let's look into the photo cards. So I got this one. So this one has her with the pink outfit. Pretty cute. And then here there are collections of stickers. There are cats, there's a picture of her, and then the ice, which is the name of the album. So here's a big poster of her. I guess you can stick this up on a ceiling, which is really pretty. And then there's the CD. So let's look into the CD. Oh, it says ice on it. So this is like her casual photo of her, which is really, really pretty and cute. So yeah, these were what were inside the album. I hope you guys enjoy her music. Bye!